Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review on the new Anker wireless charger. So let's open it up and have some review.
Let's have a first look on the box, how the packaging has been done. I bought it from the chip store, the Avenues branch, for 15 KD. Now I'm going to peel off the seal so I can take out the packaging of the Anker wireless charger. First thing first, the manuals. Here you can find the way to use it, the voltage and everything. The manual comes into two languages, English and Arabic. And by the way, the packaging includes only C cable and the wireless charging pad. It doesn't include any kind of adapter. Below the charging pad, you will find the blue LED ring which indicate device and the charging status. You can use only the C cable which comes along with the packaging. Now I'm gonna test my Anker wireless pad with the Anker power bank. Kindly please follow my Instagram channel. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.